Hi guys, it's me Cookie from Jasmine Rice. I am the owner of Jasmine Rice, Thai Vietnamese cuisine here in Lexington, Kentucky, 911 Winchester Road. Today I am off. I'm going to show you how to make pho at home and it's very easy. So here is my ingredient. We have Bailey seasoning right here. And you can get this at Asian supermarket. It's come in the package. And a little white cross there, and you can just put it in. So the secret about pho is you gotta make sure that the water is boiled in properly temperature. So when it boils, you're gonna drop this seasoning is in there. So the next thing is to come with my this is all the vegetable that I will been cutting, and it's just something that you don't use, but it can be very tasty in here. Some fresh ginger, and I usually go ahead put 1 teaspoon of salt. 3.5 a little bit. Here is a secret of the pho. It is, I do frank today. Franked. Some beef bone. So we're gonna cover this and we're gonna let it steam, and it's very well. First I would say like you let it boil first, then you're gonna let it steam for 1 hour at least to get the broth flavor. Good soup. Hi guys, so here is boil. Now you're gonna lower the gas down, the temperature down, and you're gonna make it steam. Look at that. hi guys, back to me again cooking. So we finish it, and that's how we make pho at home. So something very easy and simple, but it tastes so good. So look at this, it looks amazing. And if you guys have any questions or anything you like to know, let me know. Come see me at Jasmine Rice, 911 Winchester Road, 859-246-0200, Jasmine Rice.